I'm Luann from Healthy Home Cooking, and today we're at the FERO Winery. According to their website and print literature, FERO Vineyards and Winery is located in beautiful Lewisburg, Pennsylvania, which is at the heart of the Susquehanna River Valley. The owners invite you to taste test their great selection of varied and delicious wines. These wines are made from the estate's own Old World variety grapes. This is not your standard industrially produced commercial wine. At the time of this video, the winery was open Mondays to Saturdays from 11 a.m. to 6 p.m. and Sundays from 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. FERO Vineyards and Winery has events throughout the year. Check their website for dates and times. Outside, there is plenty of seating and parking and rows of beautiful grapevines to view. Thank you for being with me today at the FERO Winery. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell. Until next time, be healthy and keep on cooking.